And when we don't have our parents or a caretaker that is there to pick us up and have compassion for us and love us, even though we totally messed up, what happens is we get unprocessed emotion and trauma in our nervous system, which actually goes into the cells of our body, which is really interesting. I didn't realize this for the longest time, that trauma or unprocessed emotion is actually somewhere in our body. It's not just in our head. You know, we can't think away these things. We just can't. We try. But we tend to like reminisce about something that happened and we have the same thought like 2,000 times, right? And all that does is ingrain it deeper and deeper. So what needs to happen is that in order for us not to have that perfection gene, in order for us not to step out of a flow state, we need to figure out like what happened and where we've stored this stuff in our body, and then give it voice so it can be released.